Today we'll be discussing the startup and operation of your Boit generator that is located here on the driver's side behind this door. As you can see, this is a 7000K gas generator. Some coaches come with diesel generators. This one has gas. Basically, the only thing you need to know about this particular unit on the outside is where the main breaker is located, and also the stuff you have to check for daily and weekly maintenance, such as oil and air filters. To remove the door, you have two thumb screws. You just rotate counterclockwise, pull on the latches, and lift from the top. You'll see here that it has a start-stop switch located here, and your main breaker is located next to it. You always want to make sure that's in the on position. Basic maintenance, like I said, just follow your owner's manual. The oil location is here. Air filter is located behind here, and as you can see, this has all your service information right here. Inside is located a remote panel for your generator. This panel is used for starting and stopping the generator. Basically, you want to hit the stop button, which is also the prime button. You want to hold that for approximately 20 seconds. Sometimes you can hear the fuel pump actually running. Once you get it primed, just hit the start button and hold until you hear the generator start up, and then it is ready for operation. This panel also has an hour meter located on it, which will tell you your hour uses for the generator. Once the generator is running, you want to let it run for approximately 30 to 40 seconds to let heat build up and get it up to the proper RPMs. Once that is accomplished, we can move to the panel. Once your generator is started, you'll move to the electrical panel. You want to turn off the shoreline main breaker, slide the slide bar over, turn the main breaker on for the generator. You will notice you got voltage on the meters. Once you see that you have voltage, you can then start applying the loads to the generator. And that's how you operate your Boit generator. If you have any issues with starting or stopping, not starting, or load issues, you can contact us here at Boit. Our hours are 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can also contact us on our 24-hour 1-800 number, and our service center will contact you immediately. So if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you.